Hello guys and welcome to this trip. Today I'll show you gorgeous one lake and deserted castle. Also you will see special one cats and we will visit Kurdish wedding ceremony with more than 1000 people. Despite the city looks pretty much like the other Turkey, the atmosphere here is different. You will notice it in details. Little stools on the street, people sipping tea and relaxing, a lot of craftsmen, cobblers and tailors. One city has its own vibe. It's close to the Iranian border and not far from Syria. And it's totally not touristic place, and that's why people are super friendly here. Tourists is still a kind of miracle for them, and of course this is guest. And guest for Kurdish people is very important. For me it was hard to walk there and film, because every 30 minutes somebody offering me to drink some tea. But guys, I made it for you, so relax and watch this video. I came to one city and now I'm in Umbrella Street, and I think it's the best place to be now because it's raining and I'm also wearing my umbrella.
Hey bro, what's
With
up?
me. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Guys, people here are so friendly. They gave me some Turkish food, Turkish sweets, and they speak English. That's good. And this place looks good. Look at this. With rain, it's even better. If you want to feel completely vibe of the city, in the end of this video you will find uncensored 10 minutes walking tour in one. It looks like this, but lasts 10 minutes. And of course, since you're in one province, you have to try local food. So guys, I know the best way to find some good food. It's of course use TripAdvisor. Now I'm going to visit some restaurant. Well, I'm in this nice restaurant now and I'm going to try this nice soup, but soup it's like it comes as a starter, it's free, and the main dish is coming. Look at this guys, that's so beautiful, and all of this just for like $6. It's like really very cheap, but yeah, it's very tasty. Place is nice, but yeah, I didn't want to say anything bad, but look at the details, but I don't care. Mom, look at this kitchen. Wow, beautiful. Oh guys, they're making bread right from their own. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh. Çok güzel.
Çok güzel.
Here in one, people are so friendly. They offered me some tea. I just came here to smoke a cigarette because I'm sitting in that restaurant across, and that restaurant doesn't have like this shelter for the raining. And I just came here, just smoke cigarettes, and they say like, oh, just sit down, have a tea. Look at this. Wow, they are really nice. Yeah, so friendly, so nice. Yeah. Give me some food for free. Wow, that's so nice. Guys. By the way, the music that you can hear right now is Kurdish music. Well guys, this is really amazing world of of one city. Wow, and a lot of happening in the streets. People are going somewhere and people are so friendly. I just been invited for some wedding, and like if they see me filming and see that I'm different from them, they like became super friendly. Like, hello, do you want to eat something? Are you hungry? Yeah, and here much more people speak English, and it's really convenient because, to be honest, I'm a little bit tired of speaking Turkish. Yeah, and here I live Kurdish people. I will tell a little bit about this. Yeah, that's very interesting. want to tell you some funny story. It's like not really funny, but I was laying in my hotel and I was working. I was laying on the bed working on my laptop, and then suddenly something like and I thought like somebody is jumping upstairs, and then like 20 minutes later something like bumped again. I was like, what the hell? And then I started to do my job as a consultant, as a psychologist, and I was consulting, and another like occurred. I was like, what the hell? And we were joking about earthquake with my client. And then after a session has finished, I googled are there any earthquakes in here, and there are earthquakes in this region. Jesus Christ, that was scary but funny. As I told before, one is inhabited by Kurdish people. They don't like when you mix them up with Turkish people. Turkish government leads war against some Kurdish tribes in Middle East, saying they are terrorists. I think it was just a reason to start a war, because politics of Turkey president quite aggressive. Yes guys, Van is amazing city and amazing people, and very chaotic and very beautiful. It's my first day here. I'm in the city center, but let's see how it goes. Another new day in this nice city, in the city center in the hotel. People are doing everything here, eating, doing some shoes repairing, selling fruits. Yeah, this is life. That's how life going. Yeah guys, people here are super friendly. Every time I'm trying to film something, every time I just look at someone. Hello. Look at it. They are trying to interact with me and say like some nice words, offering some tea. Like they are really super cool and super friendly. I think guys, I need to make special video about this city, just to feel you the atmosphere, feel the vibe. I just will make video where I'm walking on the city, and you will see the link and the description. Yeah, and we will just keep walking in this beautiful and nice city. And actually all I want to do is just transfer you the atmosphere of the city. Yeah, I mean, it's just special vibe I want to share with you. One province is quite distant land. It took me 24 hours to get here by bus from Antalya, the same amount of time from Istanbul. I came to some bazaar. I'm looking for some warm clothes. It calls Russian bazaar, Russian market, and I don't know why it's called like this. No Russians here, not any person. Look guys, it says big Russian bazaar, big Russian market. Yeah, it's not really big, not really Russian. So yeah, but still, it's still nice. Yeah. But this guy is very smart. He's asking for money right in front of bankomats. That's smart tactic, because people cannot say, oh, I don't have money. Yeah, that's interesting. You know the service. This guy is selling this instant lottery ticket right here. Merhaba. Wow, that's wonderful. Look at this. I think he printed it somewhere at home. Oh, Giselle. Jesus Christ, he looks really like homeless and smells like homeless, but he's selling this. Guys, I don't understand why you have to buy this lottery tickets from the homeless guy. To me, it's obviously he printed it out. Like he will not give you any money. Like, well, what's the point? But people are doing this. Another weird thing to do in Turkey: have your shoes polished, merhaba. Yeah, look at this. They're waiting for shoes. Oh, just guys, feel this vibe. Just feel this vibe. That's beautiful. A lot of young and not young men, they are walking, holding hands. Not like really holding hands, but you've seen like this, look. Yeah. Hello! Like this. Nice. Hello. Yeah, they're so friendly. So friendly. Everyone wants the minute of fame, you know. Minutes of glory. Came to some military store to find some equipment for mountains, and look guys, they have coffee machine with a free coffee. That's so nice. And look at this city. The city after rain looks really amazing. It's really alive, and we are going to the wedding. Wahoo! My new friend Fatih told me a little bit about Kurdish people. They told me that they still gathering in tribes or clans. Amount of people in one clan could reach 1 million. We are coming to Turkish wedding. Wow, it's so nice and so interesting and beautiful. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. They rented Expo house for this. Usually Kurdish wedding ceremony lasts 3 days. It was second day of the ceremony. It was quite early, so not all guests had come yet. There is no alcohol in Kurdish wedding. That's why old people drink tea endlessly. The hall separated in 2 parts. The one part for men, another part for women. Kids can walk anywhere they want. What do people do in Kurdish wedding? Mostly dancing, communicating and eating. Well, guys, I want to show you this huge and big, wow, meat portion. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, they are giving food to each other, passing it to the tables. Yeah, so many, a lot of food here, rice and meat. Very nice. Now everyone's happy. Everyone's in. Wonderful. Living this beautiful wedding, and thank you for being here. And if you like this, if you like content I'm making for you, please don't forget to follow and subscribe. See you. Now it's time to see another castle. What I noticed traveling in Turkey, there is a castle almost in every city in Turkey. So here is another one. I'm gonna show you this old castle of fortress, I would say. Fortress of one, and really huge. To get to this entrance, it took us about like 5 minutes from another entrance from by car. That's really huge. Yeah, this fortress is very huge and beautiful, and very high. Feel a little bit exhausted. I don't want to tell the story of this castle. Let's just relax and enjoy the views. I filmed it for you. I came to the fortress. Look at this. It's very, very beautiful and very huge. Yeah, this fortress is very, very high. I guess I made like halfway up and I feel exhausted. Whew. I'm going to show you this beautiful view. That's really breathtaking. Look at this. Wow. Oh my god, so beautiful. If you go to one, you definitely should visit this fortress. It's beautiful, and I think I could stay here longer a little bit, but I have my bus ticket to go further. So guys, thank you for being here with me. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit a like. Love you all. One had really long story. Now it's a big modern city with population 1.2 million of people. It's a mostly Kurdish-populated and historically Armenian-populated city. These trees reminds me home. It's the same trees in my homeland, in Russia. And I miss autumn, I miss fall a little bit. Yeah, now it's cold and nice here. Now we are going to watch special breeds of cats. One Keddesi. This is cats with different eyes. I took a picture, couple of them for you, because it's hard to notice in video. The famous place in one city, it's House of Cats. There are two cats with different eyes. They are living here. And this house looks very nice indeed. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. I expected there are gonna be caddies, but here is a lot of like jewelry. Yeah, a lot of jewelry and cats somewhere. I don't know where they. Let's look. I was mistaken. This building, next to this building, this jewelry store, this is Caddy house. Wow, look at this. They have different eyes. This Caddy, these cats, and they all has different eyes. Look at me, look at me. Wow, all of them has different eyes. Wow, that's crazy. These cats, wow, there are a lot of them. Oh, çok kedi var. Hey, kedi. Oh, different eyes. Wow. No, not different. Look at this. Guys, it's wonderful. All of them have different eyes. I'll show you another cat. Oh. Oh. Wow. That's so interesting, so weird. Wow, that's funny. To buy this cat, you have to pay like 300 or 400 euros. It's just really not much for that nice cats. That's very cool. I need to learn a little bit about this. Yeah, and of course, if you like cats, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have this question, are they special breed or nature made it, I can tell you it's the second. This breed originated from local cats. They are cute by the way, even they are not having such different eyes. I found something interesting here. It's huge cabbage. Look at this. Look at this size. Wow, I never seen such huge cabbage before. Look at this. It's so big, so big. By the way, this is not the end of the video. As I promised you, there is some B-side.
Salak bir tur atıp geri buraya döndü. Peşe satışına kayıver. Aşağıdaki adam yapıyordu. Aşağıdaki boyda
Arkadaşın değil.
Üstü.
yani o öyle ayıp olur. Hayır yani şu şekilde ayıp olur. İkimiz aynı daire içinler. Tamam ben sen akşam gel yapalım.
Biraz cumartesi pazar et.
Şey yapacak.
Burada şey var bu
Sürekli söylüyor ağzına. Ay dedim ben sıra bekleyeceğim 2.44. Şey yapacağız. Hayır önce bir bakıp bakacağız. Meme var.
Bana bir azat. Değiller. Evet, ben girmedim.